The results that Guidewheel has helped us achieve is, even though we haven't been using the system for a very long time, it has really helped us improve our utilization. We started at a low 60% utilization rate, where at this point we're at mid-70s. And I can only see that improving with the real-time information that we're getting day in and day out. We have 24 machines, and all 24 machines are currently being monitored, which is great. I was a little concerned with the older models, EBM platform, but at this point we're able to see every single machine, and it's great. We have the newer machines and the older machines set up, and we see real time what's going on. For me, it's been a great tool for me to visually see what's going on machine per machine. It's been, I use the phrase mind-blowing, or the word mind-blowing, because we really didn't have an actual account of how we were utilizing our machines and how efficient we were being. This has really opened up our eyes, and where we were and how much more we can do. So what I would say to another facility is, this tool will guide you to utilize your machines more efficiently, and that could only improve your productivity on your floor, it's pretty much what it's done for us.